Now I will tell you a little bit about the type of art events that can help immigrants with integration. For example, a music workshop, a craft festival showcasing a variety of talented immigrant and host country artists, a public theatre production, art and craft workshops, exhibitions, dance performances, etc. But always make sure to include people of diverse backgrounds, both as artists and facilitators, but also as the audience. And when you're organizing these type of events, there are many things to consider and to keep in mind. Here are just a few to help you get started. Number one, how much would the event cost you and how can you access funds to organize such an event? This, of course, depends on the country that you live in. In Norway, where I live, there are plenty of government schemes that help support these type of events. Number two, how can you successfully break language barriers for participants? This can be done, for example, by having one or more translators there. It can be somebody from the community doing it on a voluntary basis, or you can hire professional translators depending on your budget. Number three, is your event venue accessible and inclusive to all? It means, is the venue close to the community you would like to serve? Is your venue accessible to people with small children or people with disabilities? These are just some of the things to consider to ensure that your event is a success. So good luck with your next event.